Do you need to get competent and confident working in a wide variety of databases using Microsoft Azure? Fast? Today I want to introduce you to this new course that covers all of the requirements of the 70-473 Designing and Implementing Cloud Data Platform Solutions exam. Hi there, my name is Scott Duffy, and I want to talk to you today about an interesting way to learn SQL Server, Azure SQL, MySQL, and PostgreSQL using the Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing Platform. All four of those database technologies have been combined into one Microsoft test, the 70-473 exam. Now, I'm an Azure trainer with several years experience teaching online and over 70,000 students in my online training courses. If you choose to sign up for this course and become a student, it will be my privilege to help you reach your goal. The main goal of this course is to help you to become officially Microsoft certified in the 70-473 exam for cloud data solutions. This course contains videos, resources, assignments, and the Q&A discussion board to ask questions and interact with me and with the other students. At the end of this course, you'll be prepared to take and pass the official Microsoft exam that certifies you as a cloud data solution designer. So, click the Buy Now button to get the most updated study guide to passing the 70-473 exam and prove to the world that you know Microsoft Azure databases.